The old house always made strange noises at night. The wind sighing through the eaves, the floorboards groaning under their own weight. I'd grown used to it. Tonight, though, something was different. A soft, scratching sound, rhythmic and persistent, coming from the corner of my room, from the antique wooden closet. I pulled the blankets tighter, telling myself it was just a mouse. Then, a whisper, like dry leaves skittering across pavement, breathed my name. It came from inside the closet. I froze, every muscle tight. The scratching stopped. The whispering started again, closer this time, as if just on the other side of the door.